This is the instructional video on how to use the delivery ticket tool within Data OnTouch. Once your account style has loaded, up at the top there's a tab called Tickets, and then you're going to go to Delivery Tickets. And this is going to load all of the tickets that you have available to be able to split them. A delivery ticket is generated by the branch, and it is product that has been picked up. So in this example, we're going to split out a 28% of 150 ton. So when you find the ticket that you are ready to split, go ahead and click on the ticket number. And then this is going to load all of your fields, and it's going to allow you to select which fields you applied this product to, as well as adjust your acres, your target rate, or your quantity applied if needed. So since in this example we are using 28%, you're probably not going to apply it on your soybean fields. So if you want, up in the top left corner here is a crops tab, and you can filter by crop. So if you want to just load your corn fields, your soybean fields, or look at all of your fields at one time. So in this example we're going to just look at our corn fields. So over on the left gives you your product description, which is 28%, gives you your quantity in tons and what that is in gallons. So what we're going to do first is you're going to have to select the fields that this product was applied on by simply checking the boxes next to each of the fields. And once you have your fields selected, from there you can adjust your acres, your target rate, or your quantity applied. If a field was not, if the product was not applied on a field entirely, you can go in here and adjust your acres. And what that is going to do is when you make an adjustment, it's going to pop up an orange box, and it's going to say quantity to apply exceeds total quantity by, and it's going to give you that number in gallons. There's a couple different things you can do with this. You can adjust your rates. What that's going to do is it's going to adjust the rates on all of the fields based on the changes that you made. Or, for example, if you pick up a product and you are just spraying fence rows, and it's not associated to a specific field, you can bill the remainder. So the product that it exceeds, you can bill that remainder to another account. So there's a couple different options there. You can either adjust your rates, or you can bill it to a separate account, that remainder amount that is not associated to a field. Once you have made all your changes and adjustments, go ahead and hit bill and save. And then what this is going to do is give you a detailed breakout. So the first is data by field. So what this is doing is breaking it out by field, giving you the total acres that each field that you applied product to, the quantity, and then how much of that product was applied in gallons. For this example, in gallons. The next is data by account. So these are your accounts that are associated based on bill splits, accounts that are associated with these fields. And what it's going to do is going to show you the acres that each account is going to be billed, as well as the quantity of that product that is going to be billed to each one of those accounts. Next is just your data by product. And then the last one is tickets to be created. These are tickets that are going to be created in order to be invoiced off of. And this is broken down by field. And within that field, it's going to give you the quantity that was applied to that field, as well as those bill splits and how those bill splits are set up. And it's just going to show you, and then how much product is going to be invoiced to each one of those accounts. Once you've gone through all of that and it looks good, you can go ahead and hit submit split. And what that is going to do is that sends an email, generates and sends an email to the admin at the local branch, and that gives them the opportunity to review, look over, before that is actually invoiced.